I looked into other programs, but nothing I had found quite matched exactly what AU had, which was from A to Z, pretty much everything I was looking to get out of a master's program.
Students will complete this program going full-time in less than 2 years, and approximately 90% of all of our students complete it in that time frame. So students come in, they do their academic work, their internships and theses, and then they move on and they go on to have a successful career.
It's a great environment. It's small. It's on the smaller side, I think. So I've gotten really close with people in classes. You pretty much sort of see the same people in class each semester, each class, because you're kind of on the same track. So we've experienced a lot together, and the closeness has been great for professor relationships. A lot of one-on-one attention. They really get to know you. They're really accessible if you need things.
There's usually at any one time about 40 to 50 students in the graduate program. They're treated almost as a cohort. They go through classes together, they socialize together. We build socials in order to get them to be a close community. And it really pays off because our alumni are also a very close-knit community.
I think the highlights of the program is both the theoretical and practical pieces, so it's a nice synergy between those two things. The students get a really strong understanding of principles of health and nutrition and programming from a very theoretical perspective, but then they get to apply it.
We have probably about 4 or 5 key faculty that teach within our master's program, and their areas of expertise will range from programming, exercise science, global health, worksite health, and nutrition education and behavior change.
All of our students do an internship at some point. They do internships with Kaiser Permanente, they do internships with nonprofits, with all types of international organizations, for example. So the health promotion students are really have this opportunity to really kind of test out their skills.
One of the highlights for me has been working on campus. I work at the AU Fitness Center, Jacobs Fitness Center, and it's been a great way to connect to the campus. As a grad student, sometimes you tend to come and go, you just show up for class and head home, but I've gotten to know tons of students. I felt more at home on the campus. It's just been a really unique experience, especially the work itself, to be a manager and a boss, and it's an opportunity that I wouldn't have had I not been in the program.
I really enjoyed the variety of the classes. There was a little bit of everything. It really made me more well-rounded in terms of just knowing different subject matter areas compared to somebody maybe in a public health type background. I'd say definitely my master's in health promotion management has made me stand out compared to some competitors in the field interviewing for the same role.
Right after I graduated from the program, I was able to quickly secure full-time employment at a major healthcare system in the Washington metropolitan area. Actually only took about 2 weeks to do a job search.
But the nice thing about our alums is that we're really connected with them. We have a breakfast every year with our alums, and so our alums network with our current students, so there's that kind of constant reinvigoration of the field for them. So our alums come back and get a lot out of working with our students, but then our students obviously develop those networks. There's a really, really broad set of things our alums do.
I mean, I've really enjoyed my time here. I think that a lot of the program is what you put into it. A lot of opportunities can arise from it, but I think you have to sort of be out there, be open.
I would say that if you want to do wellness, preventive health, anything with health and fitness in that sort of realm, then this program is an excellent fit for you and probably where you want to be. I looked into other programs and just didn't quite find the same thing. There were complementary programs, but not quite as tailored as the one at AU, from the internship program or the thesis, whatever you decide. There's just a lot of different options you can do here, a lot of different routes, and as we said before, a lot of different opportunities here.